Avenue. Broken heels and a black tattoo. Everybody said I'd disappear, but the devil inside me still lives here. Smoke clouds under purple rain, heartbeat dancing through the pain. Lost my soul in a midnight fight, still crawling back into the light. And I can barely move tonight, drowning under flashing signs, but my lungs still burn alive. Even if I fall into the abyss, hands bleeding, choking in the mist, I'll defend my fire till the final breath, till my final breath. Even when the darkness pulls me down, I can hear the underground sound, bass line shaking through my chest. I'm alive again. Rise up, not dead. Fight back again.
Heavy slap bass groove.
Rise up, rise up, rise up, rise up. Cold lips talking sabotage, fake love in the camouflage. Everybody watching me collapse, but I turn scars into syntax. Streetlights flicker silver blue, everyone became the truth. No savior coming through the haze, so I became my own escape. And I can feel the pressure climb, static screaming in my mind, but my shadow still survives. Don't let me fade. Ooh. I was born inside the noise, inside the chaos, inside the city lights. And if I break tonight, I break like thunder. Won't die silent. I won't lose my name. Through the static, through the flames, I still believe in something. System overload. Reconnect. Heartbeat synchronized. Kick drum like a war cry. Big bassline hypnotized. We rise, we rise, we rise. No fear, no chains, no gods, no graves. If this is the end,